Calabash CNC Maker Squad. So hey guys, yeah, no shave November. So I got a call the other day that the chipper shredder and all the parts have been machined and are all completely done. So I'm back here at Wallace State University to pick everything up and load it up in the truck and take it home. So super exciting day. I've been waiting for this forever, and it's finally here. So I guess this is it. We're gonna go load up and probably take some pictures of the shop as well, since I didn't get good high quality photos. But yeah, so here we go. Hey guys, so here's the chipper shredder all done up. We got all the parts and everything put together. There's still a little bit of work to do, but you can see it's all fitting together. And here's one of the shop managers here at Wallace State University who worked on it. So, your name?
Michael Keith, and I'm actually a student here at Wallace State in my third semester.
Okay.
Yeah, this was a little bit of a challenge because we've never done anything like that.
Right.
So we do special projects, so that was a good learning curve for us, and taking that chunk of metal right there, which was what, 113 pounds.
About, yeah.
Yeah. Reducing it to about 70 pounds of mill and turning.
Wow.
Yeah. So.
And you just put it on the lathe and use. How'd you get all that material out?
Slowly, boring.
So a boring bar.
Boring it out.
Okay.
Took about a week to get that diameter of 4 inches on the internal part of that. Took about 2 weeks to finally finish all of that.
Right. And then we had some problems. I think we mentioned right here where the connection, the holes didn't match up with.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, they did not. They did not match up with the motor plate, so we had to make an adapter.
Yep, an adapter plate.
Yeah.
And then what's this hole here on the top? I don't think that was in the original drawing.
No, it was not. Someone decided to put set screws on the keyway.
Yep.
So to be able to access the set screws, we put that slot in there.
For the shaft.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah.
And we had a bearing plate, but I guess that's an option now that may or may not get used, right?
Right. The bearing was press fit in.
And how well did it fit? Did it press in tightly, or
Perfect.
Was it loose fit, or?
No, it was a smooth fit to it.
It was a smooth fit, and on the shaft too, when it pressed on the shaft.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the bearing shouldn't be any movement in the
okay.
bearing. It can be pressed back out.
Excellent. Awesome, awesome. So yeah, that's really came out. I think the one concern you had here was the blades are going to mount right to this slot and the holes there.
Yes, not knowing how much clearance need to be for the blades, because we don't have the blades here.
Right.
Hopefully that will work out.
Yeah, I think it will. And then we've got the end mount here for the flywheel.
Right. That was tapered. We didn't do anything but drill the threads out of this part itself. It just snugs up on the taper.
Yep, we still got some work to do here. We've got a battery we got to mount on here. This is electric start. So we've got some work yet to do, but really appreciate you and all the students who worked on it. So,
I was grateful.
So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how you can, go forward in your career. And
we learned a lot of different techniques and things you don't normally learn in class.
Right. I'm glad you were able to learn and help you out there.